Hello everyone, today we will dive into the world of heavy machinery, the giants of the transportation and construction industries. Let's explore how these machines operate and why they are so important. Trucks with additional axles easily transport bulky loads to their next destination. Oh yeah, we're talking. Haha. You are watching the Lappingranta Hill Pole Race with the Volvo N12 Nila. Wow, the power of this truck is unbelievable. Do you think this driver should be called a pilot or a captain? Let's see the best heavy load transport system in the world. It's unfortunate for this vehicle. It needs immediate assistance. We are witnessing a family of mighty ships cutting through the waves like majestic giants, together creating a magnificent sea. Thanks to human creativity, we can turn heavy labor into easier tasks than ever before. Look, it's shocking. I feel amazed and respectful of the heavy machinery operators. Every movement they make is precise. To achieve this, the engineers operating these heavy vehicles are true unsung heroes. With their dedication and excellent skills, they ensure every shipment arrives safely and on time. This trailer is very easy to work with. I mean, it's... Do you know about the famous ship Mary Celeste? This is one of the greatest mysteries in maritime history. Next, I will show you an intense speed test featuring 99 hairpin bends and 999 steep steps to assess the driving capabilities of heavy vehicles. It's fortunate to meet this pair of missile boats. Moving a transformer approximately 250 feet long and weighing 364.95 US tons is no longer a difficult task. The massive size of that ship is truly terrifying. Do you like this vehicle? If you do, watch until the end of the video to learn a secret. A tractor trailer unexpectedly blew a tire while traveling through the mountains. How dangerous. The ocean is truly scary with raging waves and fierce storms. Let's wish the fishermen safety and a safe return after each trip to sea. The truck is having trouble entering the swamp area. Do you think the rope is strong enough to pull it? The F-16 takes off powerfully, exuding a strong presence. Why did it have to make an emergency landing in the sea? This is a great testament to the skills and dedication in the heavy transportation industry. Can you guess what this helicopter is doing? What happened to the boat in this place? Let's admire the impressive scene of the heavy transport aircraft C-17 Globemaster taking off from a short runway. When it lands, it also creates a massive storm, shaking the ground and making a loud noise that resonates with the crowd. The sonic boom aircraft not only breaks speed limits, but also opens a new era for aviation. The fighter jet's performance is truly impressive. It's spectacular from above, seeing the entire beautiful mainland. Have you ever thought about a plane landing on a ship?